Good morning, Hope class. How are you? Hope you enjoyed your break. Next couple weeks will be different and yet lots of fun. Couple things you need to know. Please check Canvas daily for any updates, assignments, videos, etc. Also, don't forget about Facts/RenWeb. I will update that a couple times each week, so review that as well, just so you're staying on top of your grades. My school hours are 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Monday through Friday, as well as I'll have specific office hours from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. You can reach me anytime between 8 and 11. If you need help, please send me an email and I'll get right back in touch, and whatever we need to address, we can work through it. Also, in order to know that we are connected, since I can't see you, I need you to send me an email once a week letting me know how you're doing. No need to go into any great detail, just need to know that we are communicating. As far as your assignments, you will find weekly assignments under the Modules tab on your Canvas account. Please review Canvas daily to ensure that you're not missing any important information, videos, work assignments, due dates, things like that. As the weeks pass, we will ramp up the workload, but for right now, we're going to keep it fairly straightforward and simple. When I give you an assignment, I'll give you a few days to get it accomplished. We'll play pretty safe with the technology as well. So it's all going to work out. And again, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Send me an email. I know we can do this. So what you need to do right now is you need to send me an email saying, "Coach, I saw your great video." That way I will know that we are somewhat connected. Then what you need to do is you need to go to your Modules tab on your Canvas account, and under Hope, you will find this weekly assignment. When you go over to Modules, there will be another video, and I'll explain exactly what we're going to try to get done this week. So meanwhile, you have a wonderful day, and I will be talking with you soon. Take care.